Over the past 30 years, many companies have successfully implemented and mastered the optimum combination of reactive maintenance, preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, and to a lesser degree, proactive reliability maintenance. PDM and reliability practitioners have become very proficient and skilled at applying various technologies for the acquisition and analysis of vast amounts of data to help manage asset health and reliability more effectively. Having a great PDM program, however, doesn't necessarily equate to a great asset management and reliability program. What's missing? The ability to put proactive reliability maintenance into action and becoming a problem solver and communicator across operations, engineering, maintenance, and management. IRIS-M Motion Amplification is the revolutionary technology that is providing the biggest proactive reliability maintenance breakthrough seen in years and is taking asset management and reliability to another level. Applying IRIS-M Motion Amplification will transform your precision commissioning, precision installation, communication between technical and non-technical personnel and original equipment manufacturers, enhancing the decision-making process, and defect elimination activities. Figure 1 illustrates where IRIS-M Motion Amplification fits in a world-class asset management and reliability program. Misalignment, or is it? The duty reboiler pump had a history of raised 2 times vibration, 5 mm per second RMS vertically and axially on the motor, typical of misalignment. The standby pump was showing levels of only 0.5 mm per second RMS. The unacceptable vibration levels were detected via the periodic condition-based monitoring measurements as part of the predictive maintenance program. A work order was issued to check and tighten all hold-down bolts and recheck alignment, including soft foot checks. The results were that the alignment was good, no soft foot issues found, and all bolts were found to be tight. The IRIS-M Motion Amplification system was used to determine the root cause and solve the problem. See, the rear steel motor plate is flexing in the middle due to the gap between the plate and the concrete plinth. This is generating a 2 times vibration rocking motion in the motor and is the root cause of the vibration problem on this machine. Goldcorp purchased the IRIS-M for the purpose of commissioning the new Minera Penasquito facility in Mexico. They were on a tight schedule to bring the new equipment online. Acceptance testing of all new assets included an assessment using IRIS-M before site acceptance testing sign-off with the original equipment manufacturer. This was a tank that they caught vibrating with the IRIS-M. They notified the original equipment manufacturer of the issue, and the OEM stated there was no problem with the tank. Upon seeing the tank in the MA video, the OEM immediately acknowledged the problem and redesigned the tank. At a continuous production plant, a new installation of critical motors and pumps was signed off from the projects team to operating team as complete and in good order, ready to use in the process. However, bearing and coupling failures were occurring within 6 weeks of installation and continued for 12 months of operation, resulting in 6 failures and 1 incident of reduced plant throughput. Motion Amplification was deployed to review the machines and found the root cause of the issue within 15 minutes. The bases were poorly installed and of insufficient design quality. All 3 motors and pumps needed to come offline, be removed, and have the defective bases remanufactured to ensure lower vibration levels and reliable continued operation. Motion Amplification is now used to ensure minimum human error during the commissioning phase, integrity during normal conditions, communication between technical and non-technical personnel and original equipment manufacturers, and root cause analysis when repeat problems arise to enact defect elimination. IRIS-M enables proactive maintenance reliability activities such as precision commissioning, precision installation, and defect elimination. Visualization of the root cause of unacceptable vibration detected via routine and online predictive maintenance programs. Through visualization, transition to root cause problem solving. IRIS-M is the perfect tool for screening assets, fault finding, commissioning new assets, communication between technical and non-technical personnel, and pre-post repairs or retrofits, enhancing the decision-making process.